Hello everyone, I'm going to make the designs shapes here. So these are the random shape we will pick up there, and the other one is that. So let's keep on making the new visuals. So let's generate the other one. But the designs we can have. So use the round rectangular shape over that one. Making the angle there. So we will use the designs as well.